more, all you need to do is enter your PID. Please, let's follow. Enter your password. Enter your email address. Now, I mentioned earlier on that...
Please, one house, please.
I mentioned earlier on that you can log in as individual to see your details or as an agency if you are doing authorized. So now she will log in as an individual. To log in as an individual to view your details, just leave the service name to be individual and click on login.
Click on login.
So these are the menu open to individual. Any taxpayer can do this. Any taxpayer can do this. As far as you have access to our website, you can log in and view your details. So here she can view her ETC card details if she choose to. If she wants to print her remittance statements, she just click on the menu, print remittance statements. Once you click on the menu, print remittance statements, then you click on display to show your remittance statements. Then you print it out, right? I'm not clicking because I'm not seeking permission. You know, it's personal information that is there. You understand? Okay. So that's just it. So once you are true as an individual, you can log off. But now that she has logged in as an individual and she's not through with the system, she wants to log in as an agency. What she just needs to do is change service required. When you click on change service required, it takes you to this place. Then here, you change your additional service to agency. Then you type in your service code. And click OK. Now you can see the menus available for you to work with. Here, we have all these menus here. Amendments, notification, approval. Like people send requests for amendments, notification. Maybe they want any correction, like an agency code, a venue code, they want to do any corrections, they will send the request. When you send the request, as an agency, you have to approve it before it can be done. So that's what that menu is for. Check company payee details. If you want to check any company's payee details, you click here, you click on display, then you key in you enter the company ID. Let's say you want to check the company payee detail, you enter the company's PID here, then select the period you want to check and click on submit. You have any company? Then you click on submit, you move on. Then let's go to the next level. We have collection for agency. All these ones that you check collection trend. You want to check collection for your under your agency. You want to check for all revenue. You select all revenue. You want to check as it comes in by bank. Select by bank. You want to check as it comes in by each revenue. Select this. You want to confirm ETC payment details. This is the menu to use. There's another section for that will display how it's going to be done. Then create or delete agency user. There's a menu for it. This menu is strictly for an admin. CTC card details. You want to check the CTC card details. If you want to confirm a transaction under the confirm transaction in the database. Let's say you have an entry ID of a transaction and you want to confirm it in the system. This is where to check. Like I said, once download EP application, ETCC reports, IGR collection trend. These are the menu open to agency to work with. Now, out of this menu, let's use search or create PID. You know, you have customers, you have taxpayers that will be coming to you that you normally assess and things like that. Some of them, they are new to this database. They've not been paying tax payments before. Or some might say, I'm not sure if I have a PID or I can't recall my PID. So you come to this menu, search or create PID. Then you click on display. You click on display. Why you need to come to this menu is to search if that person is already having a PID in the database, and if the person is not having, then you create for such taxpayer. We have two types of taxpayer. We have individual taxpayer and we have a corporate taxpayer. Mr. and Mrs. are under corporate. Oyekemi and Sons.
They are not company.
As far as their mother one, they are under corporate. Individual is just for only one person. More than one is under corporate. So let's say you want to search for, can we have the employee without PID here? Without PID. Let's use that as an example. So, enter. You click on individual, then you click on continue. Here, you key in the title.
She can do it herself. Do it yourself. Once you try it once, you can never forget. If you make a mistake and we correct it, when you want to make a mistake another day, you quickly recall. So, but if you do it for you and make it simple now, when you are on your own, it may not be that simple. Anyone can just come forward and try, or you use from your the system available around you. Okay, sorry, the access point was affected, the electrical interest.
So you enter the title. Next one is surname. You have some surname. Is that surname?
That was when you wrote
The two?
Yeah, exactly.
Next is the full name. In this full name, you have to enter the first name first. First name, middle name, then the surname.
Surname first.
First name, middle name, then surname.
So that you can.
Professional Islamic as well. Yeah.
Okay. So now we have to first search if she's. Hello? We have to first search if she's already in the database or not. She might think that she's new, but she might have we have different transactions. We have line use charge, we have withholding, we have all those things. So if anybody has made any payments on their account, then they must have created PID for her. So that's why you have to first click on search button. So this search, you go to the database to go and look for. Sorry, please. One else, please. This search, you go to the database to go and look for any name related to the name we key in here. So here, this is a list of names related to the name we key in. So we have to check carefully. Check carefully for a name, if it is there or not. So you can see that there's no name.
Similar names.
So if we check through, we can see that her name is not there. She has been paying tax and her name is not DGB. The man in charge of it is to take care of that investigate details. Why your name?
You have a card.
You have a card.
I just remember.
Can you show us your card?
Yes.
Your card.
What name? Are you sure you'll be using this
My own
same
name.
surname?
And that's the only one I have.
Could you please give us?
I I'm not sure if I have it here.
Check. If your name is there, you'll be on the database.
Then that's what I'm saying, that it just occurred to me that I think I'm getting paid, so I know they take out my
Then if you have a key, maybe the arrangement of your names.
Madam, maybe you should change the name Zamons and then IGBK.
No, let me explain how this thing works. Before it's the arrangement matters, but now it doesn't.
It does matter.
Now it doesn't matter. What it does now is that, okay, if you look at it here, we have IGBK, Samos, Aka, Fashion. Okay, you will see that the first name in this place, there's no H here, so it's supposed to put H here. But I just want to quickly explain something. You will see that the first name in this place. Hello. You see that the first name in this place. What can you see that's related to this name now? Entirely, it's just IGBK. So what system we first want to do is that we first look for these three names. You're going to find the names. Now pick the first name and look for anything related to that first piece, to IGBK. Displace it. Anything related to any name related to this, displace it. And any name related to this one, displace it. You understand? So what I'm trying to tell you now is that it's no more the usual way of the way the so now it picks the name one by one and filter it out from the database. Yeah, let me put the page.
Why don't we just, sorry, madam, sorry, why don't we reverse, start the enter full name with Akabashon and let's see if there will be any change.
Enter?
That's the third column.
No, you know, I don't understand.
Let's just do it for experimental sake.
Okay, but wait, we just noticed that we didn't put the H here with Bashar. So we just key it in now and see what is the yeah, you see.
So it was the H.
If I need now. Do you know what this one tells us? If you make any mistakes in this full name, you don't get the actual name you're looking for. So these are names here.
Sorry, can I just find out? Like this now, you need to change some of your personal details. So you do it from this page.
For you to change
Say like my phone number.
yeah, there is a menu on our website. Let's assume that our name is not in the list. If our name is not in the list, that's when you now come to this place. You click. One else, please. If my name is not in the list, that's where you come to this this message that is underneath here. If name not found, click here to create. If you check through the list displayed, if the name is not there, you click here to create the PID for the payer. And to create PID, all the things that are needed here, you see that the name, the title, the full name, and the surname is autofill based on what you type in previously. So you have to be very careful on what you key because there's no room for admin things here. Let's go back to search menu again. So here, you select the sex of the payer. Select the sex. Select the nationality, you select the states. Are we together?
Yeah.
Select the states, select the marital status, select the date of birth, you key in the GSM number, you key in the email, address number, then for the address, here you key in the address number, but for the address you click on the search button. Because we already have all the addresses, almost all the addresses in the Lagos State already are already registered in our database. So here you type in the street's name, the town area, and click on search to show you all the addresses that are related to what you key in. Then you select the one you want. Then this residence ID is auto-filled based on what you selected on this address. So it will automatically fill this residence ID for you. Then you type in the employer, you fill the employer details. Then you click on create. That's to create. That's how to create PID in the database. Any question here, please? Do you all understand? PID creation. That's what I just explained. Okay.
Excuse me, can I find out something? You know, normally you get created when you pay to an account. Are we allowed to create PID really for
Taxpayer. As an agency, yes.
So when they make that payment, do they now create a new one?
The issue is that, you know, normally taxpayer is supposed to come to you first.
Yeah.
That's normal scenarios. Taxpayer will come to you first for you to assess them and everything. And once they come to you, you search their name in the database. If it's there, you give them, you write the PID for them. But if it's not there, you create it and write the PID generated
now give it to the
and give it to the taxpayer. Go to the bank, go and make payments in case of PID.
Sorry, how do you validate the PID so it does not conflict with some other persons?
When you search, it shows the PID of the taxpayer. It shows the names related to the name you searched for. You understand? Then you confirm, check the date of birth and everything that's going to be displayed, just like her. Because we have scenario whereby we have more than 2 or 3 names.
What I'm trying to say, man, so to just shorten the process is, okay, somebody comes to me and I'm creating a PID. What is the source or the basis of that number I'm given? How do I, because anybody can just create number and then it's conflict with some other person.
It can also generate it.
Also their head, that makes sense.
So that PID, that number cannot conflict. It's unique to each
Okay.
And even a customer can come to you and say that I've been paying with this PID.
Yes.
You understand? This is my PID. The customer does not have an old receipt to show that the PID is valid or not. The customer just gives you the PID. You can, there's a method for you to confirm the PID on our website. I want to go back to the main menu to answer Mr. Chike's question on the correction, PID correction. Want to lodge any complaint? Let's say you want to change a phone number or an email. In fact, you can have taxpayer coming to you with an existing taxpayer, and by the time you check the details of the taxpayer, you might discover that the phone number used to trace the taxpayer is 080, just 080, or invalid numbers. You understand? Or the taxpayer might have changed his own firm number. You understand? So the taxpayer will just supply details for you to input in, correct it. We have a PID creation, no? PID amendments. So there's a PID amendment. You enter the customer's PID. Yeah. You understand? You enter type of correction. Is it on the payer name that you want us to make correction? Like maybe when your name were created, maybe they're supposed to put H. Mine creating it and they didn't put H, and the name has been created like that. You come here, select on payer name. If the amendment is going to be on the address, select. If it's going to be on the email, if it is others, select. Then you type in the existing information. Let's say you have this before, and you want us to change it to this. You have this before, and you want us to change it to this. You type all the information there. Then you click on the submit. You understand? So we'll pick it, and we have our help desk will pick it up, and they will do the necessary amendments. So when next you are making payments, the correction will have been made.
I also use it for changing from this to Mrs.
From Miss to Mrs. If you want to change from Miss to Mrs., you have to, you're supposed to back it up with a letter. Yeah. Because to be sure that
Yes, the problem with this correction thing, if you're just going to do the normal correction of the names,
within 5-10 minutes, it should be done. Because once you click on submit button, it's going to reflect on our desk, one of the desk monitoring desks, there are FDesks are using. They're going to see it immediately, pick it up and treat it.
That's the agency. Why is it that maybe a taxpayer now, for example, there is maybe a typographical error in the name, and ABC is now saying, okay, before that can be done, you have to go and pay 2,005.
That's the loss of card.
No, even if there is a typographical error.
Let's listen to this.
If there's a typographical error in the name, that's the card. It's instead of him returning back the card to ABC, maybe okay, the typographical error was being done from ABC.
Sorry, hold on. Typographical error being done from ABC.
Yes. So he will be asked to go and pay maybe 2,500 to get it changed and return the cards back. I just want to be sure whether that should be done or the taxpayer should just return the card back without paying. I just want to.
That question is related to ETCC. It's related to ETC card. So there's an officer in charge of card. Which is if you have any question on websites, you can have it.
This one, individual, what about corporate? How do you create an ID for corporate?
Just the same way we did as individual. Instead of selecting individual, you select corporate. You search for it. After searching for it, you check through the displays. If it's not there, then you click on it. If not found, click here to
After individual, we have the surname, phone name, all this stuff.
Let me just show you. So now I want to believe that we now understand all information on flooding, care integration, and then most of our menu open to us. So the first thing you need to do is enter your PID. Enter your password, your preferred password. And you can always remember. Enter your email. Sorry, hold on. Your password was entered on caps. So that shows that anytime you want to key your password, you must always put your caps on. Or you want to, you don't want. Okay. Your email address. Actually, is this the email printing you get your profile?
my profile.
The database, yes. This is the email
Oh,
printing.
this is the new one. Like, I can get it to you. I know it, but I just can't get it. Yeah.
You know it.
Yeah, so I have to create another one.
And you print another, you know, I said that you want to change it, you have to use a security code.
You have to create it.
Yes, I don't have to.
Oh, this is the first time. Are you sure? Better try it.
As a user,
Yeah.
so do I put the whole email?
You have to put your own email, the one that was used to maintain your profile.
Okay.
So once you change it, that you can only change this after generating security code.
Okay. Your That's mine.
Okay. Enter your GSM number. Your GSM number. Okay. Are we together, please? Enter your GSM number. Then click I am a new user. But if you want to do it, at your converse, go to page 25. The screenshot is there. Just follow the process there to get it. Thank you.
Okay.